Stroud Water Research Center's mission is to advance knowledge and stewardship of freshwater systems globally. My name's Dave Arscott. I'm Executive Director of Stroud Water Research Center. I hugely value the quality and health of our environment, and I'm motivated by the mission of the Stroud Water Research Center. Our activities align with businesses interested and concerned about sustainability and environmental sustainability. We conduct research that informs solutions for protecting our drinking water. We educate the public, and we actively get involved with the community of landowners and business owners that do things on the landscape.
Stroud is helping analyze the quality of the water as it enters our property, the effects of our operations on that water quality, and then the water as it leaves. What we're doing here is a marriage between agribusiness and conservation. So giving us a good baseline so we can better manage what we're doing is really important.
The business community, in this case, is funding that work to establish these best management practices on farmlands. Ultimately, we're able to provide them with a return on the investment that benefits water quantity and offsets their use of water. The Stroud Water Research Center also innovates. We've helped bring to market is Wiki Watershed and Model My Watershed. These are decision support systems for making decisions about improving environmental conditions.
This organization has a unique ability to be a good reference point for both the investment community and corporations, as well as those of us who are thinking about the future of this planet. In my day job, an investor. I think fresh water is a scarce commodity. I think fresh water for us is the key to how we all live our lives. Unless we properly value fresh water, it will drive demand higher and higher and will impact earnings of companies that, as an investor, I'm looking at. When I think about fresh water, I think about our kids. I think about our grandchildren. If you have the ability to support an organization that is going to continue to always be there to make everyone's lives a little bit better, you should consider Stroud Water Research Center as being one of those organizations to give to.